Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today we've got an unbagging, and this one is another grey bag from Amazon. I have had a quick peek because, as I say, we do get a lot of different packages from Amazon, and yeah, I don't want to be opening something that you really don't want to be seeing. Okay, so let's get into this and have a look at it. This is a package from the Hengjui store. It's spelled ZHENGJIU. Okay, and again I have been using my Vipon coupons. I can highly recommend them. I'm not affiliated with Vipon in any way. I don't get any commission, I don't get any free goods, but it is one of these sites where you do get discount codes, and some of them are really good, some of them have run out, some of them don't work, but on the whole it points you towards a place where there are discounts of things, and I've had some really good bargains from them, and when I saw these I just had to have them. Okay, let's get into them and have a look. We've got 2 canvases. Let's oh, this one I opened up so I could see where it was from, so we'll have a look at the open one first. Okay, and these would normally have been £15.98 each. Well, I wouldn't have paid that, and I got them half price, plus there was an extra coupon on Amazon as well, so I ended up paying £7.38 for the 2 canvases. So what's that, £7.20, roughly £7.20 a canvas, which isn't the cheapest, but I just love the pictures and I had to have them. And when you see them, yeah, they are gnomes. And this one is a Christmas gnome, and he will be taking part in Gnomevember. It is run by Mindy from Mindy's Diamond Moments. And as I've said before, I'm totally blaming Mindy for my now gnome collection, because I wasn't really interested in gnomes and I wasn't going to get them. And as I think it was Claire from Claire Diamond Paints, again on YouTube here, did say to me, oh no, you've gone over to the dark side. And these are special drill gnomes, so I thought, why not? Christmas and November. I do like taking part in the different challenges and themes and DP alongs, shall we say. You know, it just, I don't know, it adds to the fun. It gives it a bit more sense of community, and you're taking part in something. And sometimes there's prizes, sometimes there isn't, sometimes they're open to your country, sometimes not, but it's all just the fun and joining in with other people and seeing what other people have done and what other people have enjoyed doing. So I hope you can see him. He is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that little squidgy nose. And he's bringing you a present. He's got a very long beard here, matched only by the great big long Santa hat that he's got on with his pom-pom right down here. Look, he'll have to be careful. He'll either trip over his beard or his pom-pom. Or is that just me? So yeah, we're special drill. We're 10 different drill shapes and colours. It is just our little Santa gnome that is diamond painted. The background, there's no diamonds on the background, so it's a special drill partial. But I think he's absolutely super. Look at that. Okay. Oh, well, let's have a quick measure first. Let's have a look at it says it's a 40 by 30, but it looks like it's got quite a big border on this canvas. Yeah, it's 26, the actual canvas size. The picture size is 24. What you'll usually find, anything that's poured glue, that yeah, that's 30. Look, so it's the actual full canvas, the full picture size. What I do like, particularly on Amazon now, I'm not sure on other sites, they are starting to put a picture of the canvas as it actually is, with the measurements on the side. So it shows you that the full canvas is 30 by 40 and that the actual picture size is that little bit smaller. Okay, so let's just go to picture size again on here. And that one, ooh, is 33, just under 34 centimetres, which is, where did it look, 34 centimetres. It's just over 13 inches, so you're losing 6 centimetres from each side there. Okay, so our toolkit, very basic, enough to do your project, but nothing to shout home about. Okay, oops, that's my pen deciding to join in. Have a look at these specials. Wow, okay. Oh, I love that colour. So we've got some big ones. This is sort of a standard one that they use a lot for outlining special drill canvases, and it does look like that this one is outlined in it as well. It's like a blue purpley AB, and we've got it's going to go all the way around here, look, all the way around the red edging and around his sleeves. It's a very, very popular one. AB is Aurora Borealis, which is like a special coating that they put on your drill, on your gem, and it just gives it a little bit more sparkle, a little bit like an oil on water, Northern Lights effect. I've got some plain silvers there. Oh, a nice deep red and a cherry red, and a nice Christmassy green and an orange. Oh, the orange must be the highlights on him. We've got a very pale gold. Oh, some nice, are there teardrops yet? Teardrops, AB coated marquees there. Sorry, teardrops, not marquees. I've just said the teardrops. Liz, dear me, my brain's not working today. Some like pearls, half sphere. And they look like they've got an AB coating on them as well. They're not just plain white, there's a bit of sparkle. And then some large round half spheres again. There's no facets on those either, so lovely gems on those. I do like him, so he's going to be really fun to do, so watch out for him in November. Once I get all the details I will let you know. As I say, I'll put Mindy's link down below. I do think she's doing it with another lady as well, but I'm sorry I don't know that other lady's name at the moment, but once I've got them I will put the details in the description down below. Okay, so that's number 1. So what do we think number 2 is going to be? There's my scissors. I need to get into this one. I haven't looked at this one. Once I know who it's from, I sometimes don't open them, so I can be surprised along with you as to what it looks like. I might be surprised in the wrong way, so you never know. That's what editing is for, Liz. Okay, so this one is, oh, we've got a present there, very sparkly present. Oh, this is another little gnome, a Christmassy gnome again. I do like the fact that we've got the little scenes in the background. So we've got an outdoor gnome with the trees and the moon. You'd think his nose would be a little bit redder, wouldn't you, because he's outdoors. And then we've got this one who's inside, and it looks like he's wrapping up a present. And we've got the fire and the stone fireplace in the background there. And he's sat on a lovely warm rug in front of the fire. Oh, we've got two, I don't know if you can pick that up. We've got 2 little mice. See if I can get it, take that up. Take the plastic off, see if that'll, yeah, that's showing up a bit better. We've got 2 little mice sat next to him watching him. Oh, they're quite fat mice, aren't they? Oh, look, very rounded. He obviously looks after them, they're very well fed. Okay, so he's got his lovely longer Santa hat on as well. And this present, I think he is wrapping it, because I think you wouldn't really be holding the ribbon like that unless you were wrapping your present. Yeah, he's got his scissors down here as well. And oh, the details on this one are lovely. We've got a label there, look. You can see the label, and that's a bit dark, but there is a pair of scissors down here as well where he's cutting everything. And that's his length of ribbon, I think, in this corner. Or is that a lid? Oh, no. Ah, no, that's the length of ribbon. And we've just got the ribbon here, look, so it looks like that's the reel, and that's the bit of ribbon there that is cut it from. And now he's holding it up ready to wrap it around the present. Oh, I love the details on that. That's really sweet. Oh, what a lovely picture. Okay, this one is only 9 colours, whereas the other one was 10. We've got your key code top and bottom, which is really good. It's handy as you're doing it, because I tend to turn my canvas round. I don't have it static on a light pad or a board or anything. I tend to switch mine round and do one bit and then move it and do the next bit. But, you know, each to their own as to how you do your diamond painting. I think this one will be the same size. We'll just do a quick measure. Yeah, about 24 centimetres by just over 33 centimetres, so about the same. Okay, same basic toolkit. Again, enough to do your project. And let's have a look at these drills. Oh, I think that's really sweet. Again, it's a partial, so none of your mice or your fireplace or anything are drilled. It is just your little Santa gnome in the middle. And his shoes aren't drilled on this one, or his hands either. Okay. That's possibly why... just get these out first. It's possibly why there's only 9 lots of gems in this one, whereas there's 10 on that one. Okay, so again, we're starting off with our lovely bluey purple AB and silver, red, a very pinky red, nice green, pale gold, and then some larger gold ones there. I think that will be on the ribbon on there. And then it looks like these are all to go on his package here. Oh, and that's not a euphemism. Yep, so that's like an AB coated silver, which is greeny blue. And then a silvery marquee with a little bit of a coating on there, which, yeah, I think they'll all go on this little parcel. We'll call it a parcel. It's not a package, it's a parcel. Okay, well, that's just a quick little video to show you my 2 Christmassy gnomes, all ready for November. We're about the middle of October at the moment, so you do still have time to get some gnomes if you are wanting to take part. But I'm sure that it's on for the whole of the month of November, so you will be able to get some and have a join in if you wish. And if you do, if you want to contact me through Facebook or Instagram and show me your pictures, or I'll see them on Mindy's sites. Okay, well, thanks ever so much for stopping by. If you've enjoyed seeing these, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see what I get up to next and see these completed, if you press that subscribe button, you'll be notified when my next videos come out. So thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.